last couple of months I noticed something remarkable. There are a crazy amount of faceless Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts channels that are simply repurposing content, getting millions of views and claiming to earn tens of thousands of dollars. So I decided to dive deep into these channels to see if this is actually true. And to my surprise, they are not lying, but it's probably not what you think. So in this video, I'm going to tell you exactly how to create these videos and how to let AI do most of the work for you. I will tell you what content to use and what not to use, and the secret method every one of these channels are using to create literally thousands of dollars. I promise you, you will want to hear the complete story, so stick around until the end. So you definitely know what kind of content I'm talking about. In fact, almost every faceless short-form channel is using repurposed content. You have it in every niche. The sports niche, finance niche, motivation niche, and one of the latest and most viral examples is in the fitness niche. I'm, of course, talking about Sam Sulek. For the people that don't know, Sam is a fitness influencer who had around 8,000 subscribers in March this year and grew to over 2.5 million subscribers in just 9 months. Now, my journey from 0 to 100,000 subscribers in 7 months looks slow all of a sudden. But hey, I love each and every one of you, especially those who haven't unsubscribed yet. However, this makes Sam one of the biggest viral sensations ever. So it's no surprise so-called Sam Sulek fan accounts are popping up everywhere and are getting millions of views as well. They simply create short clips of Sam's channel with minimal editing. So are these channels actually making money? Well, yes. And here is how. If you look closely, almost all of these channels have links in the descriptions. These are affiliate links. These links lead to websites where people can buy different products, and when someone buys a product using one of these links, the channel gets a part of that sale. Let's take this Instagram account with almost 200,000 followers as an example. Every time they post a video, they shamelessly add this thing to the video, saying to download a weightlifting app with the link in their bio. When people download the app, this channel gets paid. And this is happening in every niche. Probably the most well-known example is the Joe Rogan podcast Shorts niche. For instance, this channel with almost 300,000 subscribers. Again, you can clearly see that they are promoting an affiliate offer. They are even advertising it in the profile banner. I actually dove into their affiliate offer, and they are promoting some supplements brand. But the crazy part is that for every person who signs up for a free trial, they get $10. So people only need to sign up for something that is free, and they are getting $10. That's a crazy good affiliate offer. And keep in mind, they show this below every single one of their videos, which are getting millions of views. If only 4,000 of the 4 million people who viewed this video, which is less than 0.1%, so it's probably even more, signed up for a free trial with this link, they would already have earned $40,000 from this single video. Yep, let that sink in. So let me show you the fastest and easiest way to make these videos. Let's take these Sam Sulek clips as an example. One of the most frequently asked questions I get is how do I find these clips without spending hours watching content? And my method is actually extremely simple. Here is what you want to do. Open a long-form video you want to use and go to the comments. What you then want to do is simply start scrolling through the comments and look for comments with a timestamp. These are almost always a reaction to something people like or dislike about something that is being said or done in that video, which always makes great short clips. For instance, this one saying, "I love what you said about enlightened lifting." If this person loves what there is being said, probably other people will love it as well, which makes for a short clip that has great potential to go viral. Sam is talking about how he has more respect for someone who lifts lighter weight but puts in the effort than someone who lifts more weight without putting in effort. So this is indeed a perfect short clip. The next step is to download the video. Just look for a YouTube to MP4 converter. Then you want to upload this file in an editing software. I recommend CapCut, simply because it's free and very user-friendly. Unlike my ex, who is extremely expensive and a total bitch.
Jesus Christ!
Place the video onto the timeline and go to the right part of the video, cut out the clip and delete the rest you are not going to use. Don't forget to change the aspect ratio to 9:16 for short-form content and enlarge the video so it fits the entire screen. Now export the video. Alright, here is where you want to pay close attention. One of the most important elements of short-form content are captions and small edits. Every top short-form content creator incorporates these. So I found an AI-powered program that creates these for you. The program is called Submagic. This is especially made to edit viral short-form content. I have put the link to Submagic in the description of this video. With this link you can try it out for free, and I even managed to get a discount code which will get you 10% off for the paid plans. So use these if you want to test out this method. Simply upload your video, choose the language, and Submagic's AI will create extremely high-quality captions. And within a few seconds, Submagic has created highly engaging captions. You can choose from a lot of pre-made templates like the Alex Hermosi captions, the classic Mr. Beast captions, and many more. You can of course change the color of the captions. And if that's not enough, you can even customize it completely to your own style. You can change the font, the stroke, and even if you want to have the captions in 2 lines, 1 line, or word for word. You can add animations and much more. However, I actually really like the basic settings, so I will leave them as is. Once you have picked a caption style you like, you want to quickly check if the AI has correctly created the words. And in this case, it is spot on. And now the fun part begins. You now want to incorporate small, engaging edits into the video. To do this, you want to go to BRolls. Here you can add transitions, B-roll footage, sound effects, and much more. There is even an option to let AI do it for you by selecting the Magic BRolls option. However, I like to do it myself, and I'm going to show you why in a minute. To add B-roll footage, you simply select the plus icon of a part of the video you want to change. Here you can then add B-roll footage from the free library of Submagic. You can also add GIFs by selecting the GIF button, but there is a better way to make your videos even more engaging for your audience. Here is what I recommend you do. It's important you are going to incorporate B-roll footage that resonates with your audience. So what I like to do is to go to YouTube and search for compilation videos about people that are well known within the niche I'm making my videos in. You could, for instance, search for Andrew Tate funny moments if you are making videos about making money online or finance. Or in the case of the Sam Sulek videos I'm making right now, I could search for a Larry Wheels compilation, which is also a famous fitness influencer. Again, download the video and upload it in CapCut. Drag it onto the timeline and simply start cutting the video up in separate clips and export each clip separately. So I recommend you spend a few minutes searching for these compilations, cutting them up and exporting them separately, so you will have a large database of B-roll footage for your niche. Once you have this done, you can really ramp out these videos in a matter of minutes. Next, go back to Submagic and upload these clips. To do this, you want to select the plus icon and go to My B-rolls. Upload the clips you just made in CapCut and select the one you like. Now pick a transition which suits your video style and select Apply. And the beauty of Submagic is that it automatically applies sound effects that matches your transitions. As you can see, that is already looking extremely professional. Another great feature you want to use, especially with videos where you are looking at someone talking for a long period of time like with this video, is to add a transition even without switching up the footage. This will break the video a bit, which engages the viewer and keeps them watching for a longer period of time. To do this, simply select the plus icon where you want to break up the footage, and instead of B-roll, you are now going to select Original. For these types of breakups, I would recommend the Zoom Fast transition. So simply play your video and try to, once in a while, switch up the footage with either some B-roll or with transition effects. Now let's take a look at the final result. But before I show you this, I want to quickly mention that I grew my faceless YouTube channel from 0 to 70,000 subscribers in 4 months, and I made a course that explains exactly how you can do this too. The link to this course is in the video description. Once again, thank you for your patience. Now on to the actual final result.
Let's say there's 2 bodybuilder style dudes. One huge, one more intermediate, beginner level. Right? If I watch that smaller dude do a set of 225, and I can tell for a fact that he pushed it to the max and he hit fucking failure, I am way more impressed by that set, and I'm way more hyped up by that set than a set of even if a dude did like 6 plates for 2. I mean, obviously it's a feat of strength, but you know, being conducive to actually making gains, that's all it is. It's just for show. You know, that's why you're never gonna catch me do a fucking 1 rep max.
As you can hear, Submagic has automatically applied suitable sound effects to the transitions and zoom effect. It's crazy how easy you can create extremely high-quality videos nowadays. If you use the link in the description of this video, you can try Submagic out for free, and I even managed to get a discount for you guys if you are serious about this method. For this, you can use the promo code in the description of this video. Thanks for watching, and until next time.